crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash, day 13 of my uh, 25 days of Christmas. And let's see, oh, there it is. Since I ran out of fingers, it's day 13. Anyway, a tip for using up some of these papers that you have, the 12 by 12. I already showed how to use the if it has a saying in the center, there's several ways you can do that. But if you have these large scrapbook pages and you're not using them for scrapbook, and you have these little items on the, around them, you can cut them apart, fussy cut around them and make yourself a card. So that's what I easily did with this one, is I just took the deer and the Merry Christmas down here, and I'll do something with the fir sprigs up here. I love that. And just place it on a background. I used the buffalo print for this. And what I did is I popped it up with some foam tape. And it just gives it that much more texture. And you can, put some glue dots on here, or do it with liquid glass and bling it up. You can do it any way that you like, and make yourself a card out of this. Why not? And then you have all of this that you can use for, creating another card. And that's what I'm planning on doing. So get out all those, and do this all year round. You don't have to just do this for Christmas. Make all your cards that way. I've done several of them, and layer them up. If you have two of them that you particularly like, layer them up. You can cut out the deer and make him 3D. Why not? Give your card some interest and give your card some texture, and use up your paper, because all of these things can be used. All of these elements, it's just like getting a bag of embellishments. Use these and use your cut aparts. And, I plan on making cards with all of the cut aparts, and putting, pictures or sayings, or something on the inside of these journaling pages if I don't use them for my scrapbooking. So use up everything that you can out of your cards, out of your card stock, and out of your stacks and stacks. Because I know, if you're anything like me, I know you've got stacks and stacks of 12 by 12 paper. So get to it. One more day down, 13th of December. Oh, my word. It's almost here. Just want to say happy birthday to my son. He turns 33 today. So God bless. Have a great day, and craft on.